Good morning, guys. My name is Kasim Malik, and the company which we choose there is a Tesco. Tell us about marketing strategy and the operation of Tesco. Firstly, the introduction. The introduction is Tesco is basically a London-based multinational superstore market. It was firstly founded in United Kingdom by Jack Cohen, who began sell surplus grocery from a stall in the east end of London in 1999. The size of Tesco is operated size due to their revenue and their number of employees. Their sales are 54.8 billion pound, and their number of employment are approximately 3,54,000. And the stock prices of the Tesco is 247.50 in pound. Now I just tell the SWOT analysis, and the SWOT analysis is the strength of Tesco is the firstly the biggest grocery retail in the UK. Then the second point is a leading market shares and geographically diversified, a grossing number of stores. Sorry, diversified stores, and the opportunity is expanding Jack's business and strategic alliance with the other brand, joint ventures, online shopping, and the biggest weakness of the Tesco is the failed operation in the US and Japan, fraud trial and accounting scandal, and the threats. Obviously, the when we start the business, there are a lot of threats there. The first threats is the Christmas ad or a controversy, fake fame, and legal threats. That's from my side. I move to my next guy.
Okay, so it's Ali, and we're gonna discuss Tesco's market strategy, how Tesco started in 1990, and how they became what they are today. So Tesco spends almost like 81 million pound every year on marketing, and Tesco has 25% of the retail market share in UK. And now we're gonna move to the next slide, and we'll discuss how 4 P's of marketing mix and 4 P's of Tesco. So first of all, price. Why people are going to Tesco? So that's because of they are offering some very good products at a very affordable price. So being affordable is Tesco's motive or Tesco's goal, and they follow the cost leadership strategy in their pricing mechanism. And then we got product. So Tesco offers almost everything that you can imagine that you will ever need in your life in their big metro stores. And then they not only the physical products, they offer some services like insurance, like mortgage, and Tesco even on its own bank. So these are the products that Tesco offers. And then we got place. So Tesco is literally everywhere. They got 7,000 stores in the whole world, and out of those 7,000, almost 4,000 of those stores are in UK. And they got big stores in city centers, and then they got some smaller stores in every small town or almost every area. And then we got promotion. So how Tesco promotes itself, because being having all the product and having everything good, but you need to tell people what you have and what you have to offer. So they promote themselves using that traditional ways like hoardings and like bags and brochures. And then as the time have progressed and things have changed, now they are even using the charity events and the online and digital platform to market themselves. And even in their promotions, they keep emphasizing on pricing and how they offer good products on affordable price. So this was Tesco's marketing mix. And then we have got brand guarantee, and we have got Tesco's club card. So what brand guarantee is? So if you are buying something from Tesco, and you see that some other store or some online platform is offering the same product on a cheaper price, you can show that to the Tesco and they will price match for you. So they're making sure that you are getting the least price for the product that you want. And then we got club card. So you can get people to your store once, but how can you keep them coming back? So they use the club card for that. They give point and discounts on the club card so that they keep coming back. So that was it from my side, and now I will move it to Sarah and Suhaib for the operational strategy. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Ali. My name is Sarah. Tesco's operational strategy. Operational strategy includes business needs and allocations in all resources and across all teams. So every operational strategy is built on vision, mission, and values of the business. Vision of Tesco is serving customers, communities, and planet a little better every day. The mission of Tesco is to be the champion for the customers, and the values are no one tries harder for customers, treat people how they wanted to be treated, and every little help make a big difference. So in Tesco's operational strategy, we can divide it to three areas: corporate strategy, business unit strategy, and functional strategy. So there are 6 drivers for Tesco as 6 drivers of operational strategy. First one is differentiated brand, which helps the brand to be long-term values are be sustained. Number 2, reduce operating cost. Number 3, generate cash, which cash is the lifetime of every business. Number 4, maximize the mix. Number 5, maximize value from property. And number 6 is innovation. That for innovation, Tesco is working on the product, channels, and customers. Now I pass it to the Shoaib, my friend.
Thank you, Sarah. The main operational strategies of the Tesco are they focus on the marketing mix to create competitive advantages and to get more profit on sales. And Tesco provides more products to the customers in their online as well as their outlets also. The main objective of Tesco is to get more profit through the goods customer services. Tesco maintains a standard forms, which is known as TIMS. It's a Tesco Food Manufacturing Standard. It regulates the behavior of suppliers and their obligations to the company. And in the next slide, it shows the operation strategic management chart. In these slides, it shows all about the operations have been done in the management side of the Tesco. And there are 4 approaches which Tesco uses for improving their strategies. And there are the continuous improvement management. In the continuous improvement management, the Tesco operations that have weakness are cleared slowly, not by impulse. The continuous management focuses on their products, services, or operations on daily basis. And education and training. Tesco focuses on education and training to the employees, because sometimes the employees need to know how to operate the machines and how to give services to customers. So they mainly focus on the training of their employees. And employees management. In the employees management, Tesco gives good importance to their employees, such as the wages, higher pay, and the promotions and rewards to their employees. This all improves their business and through their employees. And in the leadership management, Tesco have a leadership style which is known as participant leadership, in where the management of Tesco hears the voices of the employees to make decisions. So it also helps the Tesco to improve more good services to their customers through their employees. And in the strategic plan management, they are focusing on the efficiency and safety and performance. Tesco focuses on their value in the supply chain and customers network to ensure to get more good services and to get good advantages at lower price to their customers. This is all from my side. So I must move to Ali for the conclusion side.
So thank you, Suhaib and Sarah. And then we got the conclusion. So how we will conclude that. So first of all, marketing strategies are customer centric and lower price emphasized. So this is a good thing about Tesco, that they are promoting themselves as competitive price and lowest price in the market. And then the one thing about Tesco that's not very good is that they are not offering many organic products. So with the passage of time and people are being more aware of the benefits of the organic food, so people are liking to have organic foods on their table, but Tesco isn't offering much of that. And then even on their club card, they aren't offering much discount as compared to Sainsbury or Lidl's. Tesco isn't offering much discount or much perks, so they need to improve on that so that the customer stays stick to them. And then Tesco targets almost like every segment of the market, and which is a very good thing about them. And they don't have a niche. They got everything that anyone would ever need. So they're targeting everyone. So Tesco should just need to improve on the organic food options and on the club card things, offering more perks. And other than that, they are doing fine. Their marketing strategy is good, and they are targeting everyone. That's a great thing about them. So that was it from us, Tesco's. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, guys. And if you got any questions, these are the references. And if you got any questions, please, all the questions are welcome. Thank you.